So hello guys, so today we are going to talk about what is meant by operating system. So now we will first see, so there are many people from non-computer background, they don't know about operating system. Even when you ask about them which type of computer you have, then they will say like I have Windows computer. That's the problem. Many of the peoples who are non-IT background, they don't know what is operating system. So now you are coming in IT background, you are starting your career in computer science, then you should know about what is the operating system. So there is, in your computer there are two tab. Your computer is made up of hardware and software. Okay, so your whole computer is an addition of hardware and software. You can assume that, like you can visualize that. So hardware means such components which are physically present. Means if you see your computer, means like if you see monitor, then keyboard, then mouse, these are all physical devices. Physical means you can directly touch this and you can use that, okay, physically. So that are the hardware components. There are many hardware components like CPU, RAM, ROM, motherboard, monitor. There are many hardwares. So these are just hardwares. You can't directly use hardware, you can't give any instruction to hardware. So the important thing is there should be a software. Means there should be a program that can communicate with human and hardware. Means with computer hardware and human. So the software is an interaction, is a program that can make a communication between hardware and the humans. So the software concept comes into the visualization. So the software is a program. Okay, it is a set of program, or software means a set of program which is installed on the hardware. Means like it, when we buy any computer, it is like just a hardware. We buy CPU. Means in modern eras there are like pre-installed computers, pre-installed laptops, because uh, already the manufacturing company installs an operating system into the computer. So nowadays that is not an physical part, but we can change our operating system which is pre-installed. If you have Windows, then you can change it with other operating system like Linux. Like Linux distributions, there are many Linux distributions. So like I have taken the names like Windows, Linux, these are the operating systems. these are a these are like operating system. Means it is a program that handles hardware. So that was the basic concept. So whole computer means the combination of hardware and software. Without software there isn't a use of a hardware. So software is must to communicate with hardware for humans. So this software is our operating system. When we install our operating system on the hardware, then the computer will start doing things that we instruct the computer. So that is about the operating system. So for that, now we can take one example that I just like. This is the story of our in Hindu religion. In that story, our goddess Parvati, who creates a statue, if I will show you, she creates a statue. Okay, she creates a statue, and using her powers he installs. Okay, so now this statue is our hardware. Now goddess Parvati is installing an OS. Means she's she is pretend to make that statue live. Means she is giving life to that statue. So like that, she is installing an operating system to the hardware that she had created. So that was the concept. Means that was about the visualization part. So that was the thing.